from the city where the dreams die. I'm a Keem high, feeling like I'm 3'5", cause these dream killers ain't tryna let me see mine. But my cloth cut different, me, you can't deny shit. Y'all saluted, but my mind never deep fried. Been my own man since this guy stood knee high. Pop told me to straighten my head, I said let me be my own man and handle my biz, yeah, my way. Still doing me, cause I hear that the grinding pays. So I'm focused like these kids doing 2-a-days. At this 9 to 5 where I slave like a runaway. Hoping one day that these rhymes help me run away. To a place where they praising me, and they call me super fly like Curtis May. Man, this for all of y'all who lack the faith. Hear my footsteps, yeah, I'm on my way. This game only built for the strong. Seen so many here and gone, so you better let them know that I'm on my way, my way. I'm on my way, my way. Receiving all the bruises and the scars. Only when you work hard, let them know I'm a star. I'm on my way, my way. I'm on my way, my way. On these tracks, I let the beats bang. I ain't in the rags. Say I got a bright future, that's because of my crazy past. They figured that I be at registers with Glocks and masks, but due to my pizzazz, they saying I got a pad. This ain't this kid that done grew up on that crazy ab. Where in front of churches, yeah, they used to sell those slabs, trying to overcome those days of the sad, where frustrations would outweigh all the joy we had. I swear trying to walk in my shoes is like walking on glass. Nowadays I stop trying to satisfy my dad. All I do is spit flows, rock shows, no time for class. I guess if I was still in school, he'd be more stress-free. Was that the right move? Guess we'll see. So fuck my own niggas if they don't believe in me. My poetry sometimes it gets deep to see. Son of a hustler that got caught with 1.3. This game only built for the strong. Seen so many here and gone, so you better let them know that I'm on my way, my way. I'm on my way, my way. Receiving all the bruises and the scars only made me work hard. Let them know I'm a star. I'm on my way, my way. I'm on my way, my way.
In the corner with the bitches, off in the club I be granting many wishes. All the haters be super suspicious as to why they sniff and I make super digits. Making beautiful music, getting a better aphrodisiac to get bitches to swoon, but I catch them quick with these incredible